Hello, I'm Tim Beggins, president of Elk Trading Company. In today's article, natural gas and LNG, this week's main drivers and the look ahead. In our article today, we've got an image from the EIA showing the weekly natural gas storage report, which showed an injection of plus 16. This week's main drivers, the U.S. natural gas market continues to balance record supply against weather-driven demand and rising LNG exports. The EIA storage report, plus 16 injection versus plus 19 BCF last year, and the 5-year average of plus 29 BCF, a notably bullish storage print. LNG flows, spot cargoes are increasingly tracking toward Europe as regional supply risks persist. Norway's Ormen Lange outage has been extended to February 1st, 2027, removing an important source of European supply flexibility. Golden Pass LNG. Feedgas nominations reached a new high as Train 1 continues to ramp, adding incremental Gulf Coast demand. The weather. Extreme heat remains entrenched across Texas, while the Pacific Northwest and the Northeast begin cooling as fall approaches. And production. U.S. natural gas output continues pushing toward record territory, with production approaching 113 BCF a day. And lastly, geopolitics. The Iran war reaches the 6-month mark with no durable resolution, keeping the Strait of Hormuz and global LNG flows firmly in focus. The look ahead. The next few weeks could become increasingly important for global gas balances. Qatar is preparing for a potential Strait of Hormuz reopening, which could rapidly change global LNG availability. Meanwhile, EU storage is moving above 60% full, an important psychological and fundamental milestone heading into winter. U.S. LNG exports are forecast to approach 18.5 BCF a day in 2027, reinforcing the structural connection between U.S. gas production and global markets. Globally, LNG supply growth is accelerating. Papa LNG is targeting FID by year end, while ExxonMobil's Rovuma LNG in Mozambique is gaining momentum with major equipment contracts. North America is also expanding infrastructure. Alaska LNG faces delays after tax legislation stalls, while Canada's Kino Aski LNG is proposing a new, and I can't even pronounce this, please apologize here, Bay Camus export site. And finally, Whitewater's Solitude Pipeline has reached FID, adding 2.25 BCF a day of Permian to Katy capacity in 2029 and another 2.25 BCF a day in 2030. The big question, can rising U.S. production keep pace with accelerating LNG demand while geopolitical and weather risks remain elevated? You can learn more in the links we've included in today's article. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for listening. We'll see you soon.